Merry Christmas to you, my dear friends. This is Julia Dmukh from Juli Atelier Deco. I wanted to share with you the process of creating a Christmas floral decoration that I made for the Christmas table a few days ago. I took a floral sponge as a basis, which I had previously soaked in the water. I also bought a bouquet of various leaf branches and exotic plants at a flower shop. I added candles and a few Christmas tree ornaments. Each branch needs to be prepared. Clean it of excess needles and sharpen it with a knife or scissors so that it is easier to insert into the base and the branches are better saturated with the moisture. The main task of the first stage is to fill the space of the vase with various branches so that there is no empty space. I am now doing this intuitively without any special rules. What I do just has to please me. And now, step by step, we fill the space. I want to focus you on that fact that I use different textures, different types of trees, and different colors. Maybe you can even cut some branches in your garden or on a walk in the forest. It's up to you. The main question that you should enjoy the process. And I hope you will like the final result and I will inspire you. So step by step. Of course, it's video, so it looks very quickly, but it took 25 minutes to make this composition in real time. I just like to work with real plants, not plastic. And look at this exotic, it's very beautiful. I don't know the name of these branches, these trees. I just like how they look like. And of course, we need to add some accent, color accent, and I choose some red berries for this. You will see now. Almost done. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Так, super. So, some berries, some accent. And then we should fix the candles into the sponge. And for this, I used floral metal wire and scotch tape. Of course, it's better to take floral tape, but I didn't have it. And this is pine cones from the previous bouquet. So I just bent them like this. And then I fix them from the three sides. So 1, 2, and 3. Voila! Our candles are fixed already. Pine cones. I cut it a little bit. These sticks, yeah. And I used different size of Christmas balls. And to fix them in the base, I also used metal wire. It's easy. So as you can see, different size and different colors. You will see now. And thanks to the ability to add water every few days, your floral decoration will delight you for the several weeks. I think it's also nice. Some last steps. And you may also want to create a similar bouquet or add your own special details to the decoration. I will be glad if this video gives you inspiration and enjoyment from the creativity. Merry Christmas again, my dear friends.